a sudden, this world's yours.
Ooh, that is so smooth.
All of a sudden, water tastes like wine.
You see the diction and how he pronounced every lyric was so good. What's up everyone? It's me, your Solitary John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. Mega love shoutout sa mga taga RCFC all around the world. Thank you so much po for always supporting our reaction video. And for today, we are back for a reaction video for, of course, the golden voice of Matt Monroe and of the Philippines, Ruel Carino, para sa kanyang performance ng All of a Sudden in Sessions with Brian Yamswan. Yes, ito nga ay kanyang latest performance. Thank you so much for requesting this performance. And this is the first time that I'm gonna react to Ruel Carino singing All of a Sudden. Kaya naman excited tayo dyan. But before I proceed, if you're new to the channel, guys, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go. Here it is, guys. Oh, it's in black and white. Oh, studio setup. Ay. In fairness, may pa-orchestra in Emerald. Ay, pogi ni Ruel. Oh, ay, bakit black and white siya talaga? Oh, okay. Now it's colored, guys. Oh my gosh. I love it. Grabe. Ang ganda nung register ng vocal niya sa microphone na gamit, guys. At naka-in-ear complete with orchestra at the back. Wow, really a golden vocal. You see the diction and how he pronounced every lyric was so good. With saxophone, no? Grabe, he just parang sobrang hindi niya binubuka yung lips niya, but you can hear how whole is the note that he is singing, and very serious sa dito,
This world's yours.
Ooh, that is so smooth. Grabe yun, guys.
All of a sudden, water tastes like wine.
Sobrang serious ni Ruel. Hindi ako sanay, guys, that he's not being goofy, but the way that he's performing it, oh my God, so smooth. Diba? Grabe.
All of a sudden, everything.
Diba? Plus the banda is so lit. Grabe. Ang ganda ng pagkakagawa ng production. Kudos sa ng production kasi with saxophone, like feel natin, no?
Let's not talk of all the times we've been lonely.
Who would have thought that he's just 14 years old, guys?
But let us speak of the times we will know.
Grabe.
From today, I will live for you only. Wish I'd said all these things long ago.
Diba? Iba yung bass beat. Very classic. Sobrang galing. Hey!
All of a sudden, this world's yours and mine.
Woo! That is so good! Grabe!
All of a sudden, water tastes like wine.
Sargang super siniseryoso to ni Ruel for today's video, guys.
Now every moment there are songs to sing. All of a sudden everything.
Grabe! Guys, I just remember, no? Di ba may mga ganitong beat of song na parang all of a sudden pero ginawang OPM, di ba? Yung, bakit ang sabi mo'y binata? di ba yun yun? Ito yun. Itong beat na yun.
La 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 la.
Hey! Grabe. Oh my gosh! Naiisip ko yung OPM, guys. Kahit la 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 lang, iba rin yung dating. Bongga. Ooh, that electric guitar. Parang naging ano, no? Naging sultry vibe. Galing din ng banda, guys. Diba? That electric guitar, it's so good. I think this is Sir Brian, if I'm not mistaken. Naiisip ko yung OPM.
All of a sudden everything.
Hey! Oh my gosh! That is so good! There you have it, guys. That is Ruel Carino singing All of a Sudden in sessions with Brian Yamsuan. Grabe, this is the first time that napanood ko si Ruel ng very serious yung pagkakakanta niya. Very, alam mo yung prim and proper siya dito. Oh, hindi siya goofy, but he is nailing it. Like, ang ganda ng setup, the banda, yung microphone setup, talagang buong-buo yung boses. The golden vocal of Matt Monroe, and you can feel the emotion how he is singing it. Sobrang galing. Who would have thought that he's really like 14 years old, guys? Diba? Wala, hindi like he's just started his teen years, but he's singing this classical vocal, and he is doing it so well. Grabe. What can you say about this performance, mga ka-RCFC dyan? You can comment down below and let's discuss in the comment section. And of course, kung may mga request pa kayo, don't forget to put it in the comment section. And also, you can PM me sa aking Instagram. Ayan, nakikita nyo yung ano na yan, yung QR code, yes, truly John Valencia sa Instagram. You can send me a message para hindi ko mawala yung mga requests kasi ang hirap din maghanap pala sa comment section, guys. But once again, thank you so much for always supporting our reaction video to Ruel Carino. And of course, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. Once again, my name is John. This is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.